Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Radhika Arkal and today I'm going to show you how to paint an abstract painting using acrylic paints. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updated every time I post a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below. The materials that I'm going to be using is this white plain sheet. You can use anything you want. You can use a canvas board, acrylic painting sheet, or any white plain sheet will do. And for the paints, I'll be using this chrome yellow color, the sky blue color, the black color, and the purple color. Then the next thing that I'll be using is the cardboard. You can cut the cardboard into the pieces of any size you want. Make sure the cardboard is not too thin. It should be at least half centimeter thick. And the next thing is gonna be a brush, and that's it. Let's see how this goes. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your views down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. See you in the next video.